Okay guys, so we are finished packing and we are leaving this place. We'll be back here tomorrow after attending our church here on Sunday, just to do a final cleaning of this place, you know, the empty house, before we hand over the key to our landlady. I am really thankful. I pray that whoever gets to live in this 3-bedroom condo apartment is going to experience all of God's blessings that we experienced and even more while we were here, because I have prayed in this house. I have talked to God in this house. Every part of this, every corner of this house, there is no place that I have not talked to God inside in the course of the 1 year that we lived here, okay? And so I think this house is going to be a blessing to the next person or next family that we move into here. So we are off. Come on, guys.
Okay.
Hey guys, I am over here looking like what I've been through. Oh my goodness, don't even begin to. We have been packing for some weeks now, so because we are moving from our current location, from our current location to another place, you never know the amount of stuff you have until you actually start packing. Hey, what? Okay, even despite the fact that we had to like throw out a lot of things that I no longer need, and some of them were really defective anyway, so but still, man. So right now we are on our way to the new place. Yeah, I think the van has left actually. I hope we yeah, they don't get there before us. I don't think they will anyway, because it's a very big truck. So anyway, the thing is, hubby said I should drive, so I'm going to be driving from this point up until the place where just before we get to the, what is it called, to the expressway, just before we enter the highway, and then we are going to change. That's what we've been doing. He's been drilling me, he's been on my neck. Every time we're going out anywhere, I have to drive, because according to him, and I think it's true, practice makes perfect, and I think I'm becoming more confident. Yeah, so here we came to the lottery to buy a bucket for cleaning. Actually, hubby and I, this is Dollar Tree.
Why do you call it Daddy?
Hubby and I were at the new place yesterday just to do our own cleaning. I clean like I am a cleaner, okay? I just can't take some mess, especially where food that you eat in your mouth, that you feed to your family. How can you leave it to become this dirty? Okay, the person did not do us any justice. And this is one thing I've learned. I've said it to myself. Wherever I move into, whether it's my own house or I'm renting, as I'm leaving that place, I'm going to leave the house clean, so that the person who moves in, because not all landlords are willing, okay? Not all landlords are willing to clean your... Baby, meche boot. That's your nature. Eating a boot. Meche boot. Oh. Daddy. So not all landlords are willing to clean your house for you, okay? So I had to clean the fridge. My husband is out. We are supposed to be leaving very soon. I had to clean the fridge, okay, myself, and now it's very clean, sparkling like new. Babe, headlamp, ma, on.
All the on, yes, just normal running lights.
Okay, so I need a meeting the full beam now.
You want to get your cat in here? How can you see the all the
Okay, see the
once I said that now, when there. So go to now, so go to post it on. Good. Beautiful.
Cute.
Where did you go?
With the car.
So
what is it?
God said that baby, just make sure you are moving your leg. If you cannot see it, stop completely.
Baby, I won't have to space, but she okay.
So usually when it is raining, there are bound to be traffic even in Nigeria.
Yeah.
This is simple reason people are not seeing very well. Yeah. Everybody slows down. Yeah. Everybody increases the flowing distance. What do I go? Perfect. Seriously, question now.
Hey, Holy Ghost. Okay, now if you can do the miracle.
Jiri wa your motor ga gbagi mmiri be ipute be iri to ebe ahụ.
So we are on our way to the new house. That's praise, divine, daddy, mommy. The other two people are in the back. Treasure and Blessed is sleeping. Baba, are you excited? Yay! This is mommy and daddy. Mommy and daddy's closet.
Where's our room? This is our room. No, this might go to be our room. This one. This will go to be our room.
Yes.
Oh,
And there's a ball.
we showered. Mommy, wait, what is in here?
Yeah, this is the basement washroom.
Ooh, this was a... Oh, look at the shower, mommy. Look at the clothes.
Be careful, please.
Get it?
No, it's the other one. You move the other one.
Oh. Mommy. Mommy. Mom, what you said that is in here? Mom, what you said that is
It's
in
the
here?
boiler room. I'm going to resume cleaning from where I stopped yesterday. I want to make sure I finish cleaning this kitchen and start sorting the things that I need to sort.
Mommy, please,
Take what's yours, I'll take what's left. I'm used to coming up second best. Always fail to pass the test. I'll be damned if I'm leaving without you. Later on in the night, when the crowds have gone,
train slow.
we could talk under moonlight
And all you have to do is pop the
till
paddles.
dawn.
Let's excuse me.
We could stay to watch the sunrise, cancel all
Levi,
our plans.
Down. Go down the
We
stairs.
don't need
Down.
a reason why we just can't. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment. Never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little?